Rajya Sabha elections in Odisha have sparked a major political controversy after serious allegations of horse trading surfaced. Congress MP Saptagiri Sankar Ulakha has claimed that attempts were made to lure party MLAs with an offer of 5 crore rupees each ahead of the crucial vote. According to Ulakha, the legislators were moved to a hotel in Bengaluru to keep them together before the election. He alleged that 4 individuals from Odisha arrived at the hotel and tried to approach the MLAs in an attempt to influence them. The Congress leader further claimed that the party has already filed a complaint with the local police alleging that the individuals tried to contact the MLAs and persuade them before the voting. He also said the party suspects the involvement of independent Rajya Sabha candidate Dilip Rai. Despite the allegations, Ulakha maintained that the party's votes remain secure. He stated that 8 votes are currently safe with the MLAs staying in Bengaluru, while 6 more votes are secured in Bhubaneswar. Ulakha also criticized the alleged attempt, saying such practices have no place in a democratic system and insisted that the party will stand firm in support of its candidate in the Rajya Sabha election.
देखो एलिगेशन ये अच्छी कि हमें माने एठी हमें एमएलए मान को सुरक्षा दृष्टि जो बैंगलोर हमें शिफ्ट करछु काली राज्यसभा इलेक्शन अछि काली राति 8टा बेलकू 4 व्यक्ति ओडिसा रो वीरेंद्र प्रसाद तापरे आपण सुरेश आपण को अजीत साहू सीमांचल महाकुर तांचे बेसिकली राउरकेला ढेंकानाल रो आसी चेक इन करले सेम होटल आज सकाळ जतोळ हमें ब्रेकफास्ट करथलो हम आगे पछे बुलिया चेष्टा करले पुणी लिफ्ट रे आम जो जाऊँ लिफ्ट रे आसले किसी रूम न जाइकिना को फ्लोर रे रोज से करले आम जो संदेह है तो निहाती भाव यहाँ आम आगे पुलिस को फरवर्ड करलु आम गोटे एफआईआर भी लॉन्च करछु कि आम एमएलए मान को प्रभावित करने 5 कोटी टंका ऑफर करने आसते